Section 4. Safety while working with aerial lifts. Section Introduction. In this section, we'll cover safety when working in the lift, safety before moving the vehicle, safety while driving, safe work practices, working safely on the ground. Safety when working in the lift. Here are some precautions you need to take to prevent falls while working in an aerial lift. Always stand firmly on the floor of the lift. Keep the soles of your feet flat while you are in the lift. Keep your feet firmly planted on the floor of the lift. Keep your fall arrest system lanyard attached to the lift or boom at all times. Don't get on the tips of your toes or lean over the railing. Don't sit or climb on the edge of the lift. Never use a ladder in the lift to gain more height. Never use a plank to bridge a gap between the lift and another structure or work surface. Safety before moving the vehicle. After work is completed and before moving the vehicle, make sure the boom is properly cradled. Ensure that the outriggers or stabilizers are returned and stowed in position. Remove wheel chocks. Ensure that the path of travel is firm, leveled, and free of obstructions both on the ground and in the air. Safety while driving. Safety is also an issue when driving a vehicle equipped with an aerial lift. Always look in the direction of travel and keep a clear view of the path of travel. Watch out for pedestrians. Maintain a safe distance from any ground obstacles such as debris, holes, depressions, ramp edges, and other hazards. Maintain a safe distance from any overhead obstructions. Limit travel speed according to conditions. That means considering ground surface, ground slope, other traffic in the area, location of personnel, and so on. Safe work practices. Here are some safe work practices that all aerial lift operators and other employees working with them should observe. Check for overhead power lines and high-voltage conductors. Keep the lift and boom at least 10 feet away from power lines at all times unless you are specifically working on the lines. Report any defects or equipment malfunctions immediately. Check safety and interlock devices daily to ensure they are functioning properly. Prevent ropes, electric cords, and hoses from entangling with the lift when the platform is elevated, lowered, or moved. Before lowering the lift, make sure the area under the lift is clear of tools, debris, or personnel working on the ground. Do not use defective or malfunctioning equipment until necessary repairs have been made by qualified maintenance personnel. Never alter or disable a safety device or interlock device. Never engage in any stunt driving or horseplay when working in or around aerial lifts. Such behavior is always unsafe and prohibited. Working safely on the ground. Workers on the ground who work near equipment with aerial lifts are also exposed to a number of hazards and must take proper precautions. Ground workers also play an important role in helping to keep employees in the aerial lift safe. Power lines. If you're working on the ground, warn operators of aerial lifts when they're too close to power lines. Both the boom and lift must be kept at a minimum of 10 feet from power lines. Don't touch the truck or base of the aerial lift if the lift is close to power lines. Remember, electricity wants to go toward the ground. If you touch the truck while standing on the ground, the current can go through you and electrocute you. Falling objects. Watch out for falling objects such as tools and materials. Always wear a hard hat to protect your head when working on the ground near an area lift and never stand directly under the lift. Also watch out for the boom and lift when the lift is lower to make sure it doesn't come down on you. The operator will be looking out for personnel on the ground, but might miss someone in their blind spot. Inspection. Make sure you know emergency response procedures in case the worker in the lift is injured or can't operate the controls. Section Summary. In this section, we looked at fall protection requirements, inspection procedures, vehicle setup rules, safe work practices for employees in the lift and on the ground, safe driving rules for vehicles equipped with aerial lifts. This safety information can help prevent accidents and injuries when working in or near aerial lifts.